and placing the beat just like, sorry, can you mute yourself? Someone is on mute and it's interfering. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so once you are able to successfully place a beat, just like Naza just showed us, the next thing to do is basically to relax and stream the music, because the more you stream and the more you also like let your family and friends and every other person around you stream, the more income you make. It is that easy. It's a very good source of passive income. Just invest, buy as much split as you can buy, and stream. That is all you have to do to start earning from investing. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Another question that we keep getting asked they keep asking, after bidding, what next? What's next after bidding? When the bidding ends, what next do we do?
Okay, once the bidding, that is the live auction ends, it's just for you to wait to get, well, and just hope that you are among the lucky winners of the bids. Yeah, if you win like the bids that you placed, your portfolio will be credited with the number of bids that you, with the number of splits that you won. But if unfortunately you didn't win, your funds will be returned back to your wallet. Yeah, it is that simple. So once the auction ends, expect to get a feedback from us by getting the splits that you bidded for in your wallet, or getting back your funds in case you weren't able to win bids while the auction was live. Yeah.
All right, cool. So immediately after the auction ends, we have to go straight to the secondary market. You can either trade or you hold your bid to get your royalties at the end of the month, which is one of the fantastic and beautiful things about MusicSplit. It's an opportunity to earn passive income. You just get passive income at the end of the month. All right. So one last question, Teresa. Then maybe we'll start taking the questions on the charts. So the question I want to ask is, users are asking, what is the return on investment? What is the sorry, I'm saying, what is the implication of, sorry, let me just read this clearly.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I can see it now. What is the return on investment if I invest?
Okay, so the return on investment in investing in MusicSplit is the royalties. And royalties simply means like the amount of money that you earn when people stream the music project. In this case, King Perry's Continental playlist on streaming platforms like Spotify, YouTube Music, SoundCloud, Deezer, and the rest. So you earn whenever people stream those music projects. Yeah, so that is why like we keep like it is why that is why it's important for you to stream and also get other people to stream. Yeah, because that is like what you basically earn, the royalties, and the return on investment is like about 8 to 17%, and that is still dependent on the number of streams the music project gets. Yeah, so that's basically that on how you earn when you invest.
Want to welcome those just joining us. Please, to coming in, just mute your mic, right, so that we can have a great session. We welcome everybody who was just making it out for this session. We've actually had a lot of interactions. We've made a lot of progress. We've really walked through the app to show how to bid at this point. But we'll still take a lot of questions in the little time that we still have. Now, Marcus, so we need to go through this really quickly because we have very few minutes left. So Mark is asking, is it possible to buy all units? Yes, it's actually possible to buy all units, but for you to buy all units, you have to most likely try to outbid everybody because it will be given to users based on how they've bidded and how they placed their bids. So of course, if you want to buy all the units, you can feel free to try. You place your bid because really that's how the system works. It's based on how much you bid and how many quantities you really want to have. So the next question is, would I get notified if I'm outbid so I do not lose out? Teresa, do you want to take that one?
Oh, well, currently, no, you wouldn't get notified if someone else outbids you, but we are working to put that in place. Yeah, so you can, well, I would advise, well, that you, like from time to time, if not for any other thing, you can go and listen to the song previews and use that opportunity to check, oh, how is the market doing? Has anyone outbidded me or something? Yeah, but we would definitely work to put that in place so that whenever someone outbids you, you get a notification.
Okay, thank you. And then just this, Onyesti asks again, she says, what of where someone has placed like $35 for a split, which is currently showing, yes, I know I saw that. Should I have to bid above them? So she's asking if someone has placed a highest bid, or which we see the highest bid there as $35, and that's the highest bid, for me to qualify to get a split, would I need to bid higher than the $35?
Well, it all depends on you, honestly, and your wallet and the number of available units split rather. So we have about 30,000. Yes, so I wouldn't want to say that there is enough to go around, but yeah, you might just look at the market and the number of splits and the number of funds in your wallet as well, and please bid accordingly. And also it will also be good to look at the number of splits the person bought. If the person bought say for instance one split for $35, I mean you see that, and that you might still have an edge if you buy say 100 for say $4 per split. I mean, you definitely have an edge over the person. So it's a game of luck and also playing Spartu. Yeah. So that doesn't mean that you wouldn't get anything too if you buy more for a lesser amount.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'm going to also bring in a couple of more people to add, because this is really getting a lot of questions are coming in. I would like to also, we're going to get some other people to also chip in and to chime in to add their own thoughts to what it is that we are saying right now. So there is also a question here that says, can there be other payment systems that supports dollars based on Nigerians? Can there be another payment system that supports dollars based like PayPal? So right now, yeah, Teresa, go ahead.
No, and complete your question.
Yeah, because that's the question. Can there be other payment systems on the app, that supports dollars?
Of course, yes. We are currently working on integrating PayPal as one of our payment systems too. And also, if you have other platforms or payment systems that you would like us to implement, please feel free, join the Telegram community, and drop your suggestions and your questions, everything, just drop them there and we'll always attend to that. and work towards implementing what you actually want, because our users come first, and we always work to give you the best of experience. Yeah.
All right, fantastic. So in the little time that we have left, I'm going to do something again for the sake of those that just come in. I'm going to share my screen again and show us again how to quickly place a bid on the ARTSPLIT app. We have very limited time, so just for those of us that are just coming in, as we're just going to place, I'm going to place a bid one more time for a bid so that we can see and understand how to place bids on the ARTSPLIT app. So I'm just going to quickly share my screen on my phone.
Okay.
Right, so I believe you can all see my screen. So I'm just going to go back to the Explore page. And here we see on the Explore page, we see all the artworks and the artworks that is currently on auction, which is the MusicSplit. And I'm not going to go through all of this again, but I took time to explain it earlier. So this is the artwork that's currently for music, and it's the Continental Playlist by King Perry. So if you click on it, it shows you the units available. There's 30,000 units. And then each of the price per unit is $3.33, and the highest bid is 35. So it is always, yes, from what Teresa said, we also do advise that, you try not to bid too high, don't bid higher than the starting price. Even though somebody has placed a bid for $35, try to still stay within that $3.33. If you see the earlier video we did, I did about $3.34. So it's actually what we advise and what we recommend is that you always stay. Don't be swayed by people who bid so high, right? Just still stay within the margin of the starting price. Maybe if you want to do 0.01 or 0.02, but stay within that. That is what we advise, and that's what we recommend. And on this place, you can even see all the bids that users have made. You can see everything all here, right? And even preview. There's the preview button where you can even see the songs that are currently on the album that you can actually listen to. You can click on it, and then it begins to play. I'm not going to play that now. I'm just going to quickly go ahead. So going back to the info, how to place a bid. You click on place a bid. For the sake of this, we just buy one unit. The last time I did $3.33. 34 cents, but I'm just going to do $3.33 again, just this time, right? $3, which is the starting price. And I click on, of course, the button here and continue. And then it gives me all my summary, and then I click place a bid. And once I click place a bid, I've placed my bid. So what at the end of the auction, and now the auction ends, if you look at this, the auction ends in 1 day, 3 hours, which is tomorrow, say somewhere around 9 p.m. So if you're here and you need to place your bid, please go ahead right now, go to the ARTSPLIT app and place your bid, because the auction actually ends tomorrow and we do not have much time. So I really want to encourage all of us. There are a few more questions, but if you have all your questions, remember to feel free to go to our Telegram group on the app. We have a link to our Telegram group where you can actually ask and engage more and more with our users. So someone is asking, I'm just going to run through this quickly. We have about a minute more. Okay, am I a graphic designer? Can I sell my artworks? You can actually sell, but we would, okay, you know what, for this question, why don't you send it to us on Telegram, because you don't have much time. Send it to us on Telegram, and then we will quickly get to you. And say, so how would the money from the stream get to me? Of course, the money will be funded into your wallet, will be funded with that money as soon as the royalties are being paid. If you're on the app and you know that we also you also get interest on your deposits. When you have deposits on your app, on your wallet, you get deposits. So those interests, the same way it comes into your wallet, same way your royalties will get paid into your account. So that is pretty much it for our webinar today. I really want to thank everybody for coming out for this session. We really want to appreciate everybody for coming. Thank you, Teresa, for coming out today. Thank you, Teresa, for having. So if you have more questions, please join our Telegram group. We'll have more sessions, more interactive sessions like this on our Telegram group. Thank you, everybody, and have a wonderful evening. Oh, one more thing. We also have a chess tournament going on. It's called We Go Chess. I'm going to put the name in the chat box. So We Go Chess. Please go ahead, look for it, and actually engage with us. The tournament holds next week. Go ahead, sign up, and we'll be glad to have you guys around. So thank you, everybody, for coming to hang out with us. Have a great, great evening. Goodbye.
Yeah, well done. Thank you.